Back in the gym, needed some new running shoes. Nike comes out with the React. Perfect timing. What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video. And yes, I've got a pair of the newly released Nike Flyknit React. I saw these kicks and I was like, it looks like Adidas has a little bit of competition now. They're going for that sort of ultra boost kind of vibe where it's a running shoe for performance, but also kind of has a little lifestyle vibe to it as well. So this is my first time seeing them in person. Hopefully they're dope. From the pictures, I thought they were pretty lively. So let's open this box, see what they're like. So this pair, I believe, was a Sneakers app exclusive. I'm not sure if they're going to be releasing this colorway regularly. These came out early. I don't think the actual Nike Reacts are out yet. I'm not sure the date of it. I will put it up along the bottom of the screen when I do actually get that information. But I saw it on Twitter that they're releasing this early and I jumped on it straight away. Shout out to Rain the Mask on YouTube. He did a video of his pair. He got them via I think he had to do some like running, he had to do that 5k run, something like that, and you got the opportunity to get them early, so super team early. But these ones again are a little bit early, and gassed is that same triple black kind of colorway. The pairs that are coming out officially have a white sole like the React bottom, whereas this has a triple black. But enough waffling, to show you the box. So it comes in this orangey red Nike box, got the Nike logo on there, Nike logo again, and then it says Nike Epic React Flyknit. Got these in a UK 10.5. Going by what they actually said on the Nike website, I'm surprised they actually said this, because it's the kind of thing I normally see on Kith when like Ronnie's doing a release. But it said these fit a bit tight, so I got half a size, so I went with that. I usually get a 10.5 in by Ultra Boost, so who knows, maybe it's Ultra Boost fitting, but let's open this up. First of all, this box feels light as fuck. It feels like there's nothing in here, so that is a good thing to start off with. And, ooh, here are the shoes. It is a little bit dark in here, so it might be hard to see these, but on first look, these are pretty slick, I must say. Not bad at all. This React sole is super duper springy. Proper Ultra Boost like. Interesting. So let's get some close-up shots and show you some of the details of this shoe. So as these are called the Nike React, they do have the React technology on the sole here. I believe it was first introduced in some Nike basketball sneakers last year, like July time. Worked really well for them. Then they realized what basketball players need, their needs, sort of filled out what runners need as well. So they went for this. On the basketball sneakers, this was enclosed, so you didn't really see the React stuff, whereas this one, they've gone full React, just on the bottom of the shoe, so you can see the whole system. And so much technology has gone into this. I was reading up on it, and they went through like 400 different types of foam and different little methods to get it perfect, where they have the energy transfer and etc, etc. I'm not a super duper runner, so I couldn't tell you the specifics of what's best or whatnot, but from what they're saying, they did hella research, and they got the perfect fit of it being not too springy, but energy transfer being good, fitting well and lasting long as well. Supposedly the longevity of these is super duper good, so we shall see, because I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these in the gym. But enough about the technology, let's see what these shoes look like. So it's all over Flyknit shoe, sock liner sort of thing. The lacing system doesn't seem to do much, because the tongue is just part of the sock, so I don't think fit wise that's gonna matter too much like that. It's basically a slip-on shoe with laces for kind of no reason. Maybe it locks you in a bit more, but I'm doubting that. On the front of the shoe is all Flyknit. It's got loads of holes in here, so super breathable. That's going to be the purpose of it. Like what Adidas do with their Ultra Boost. Probably going to be referring to Ultra Boost a lot in this review, because it's that direct competitor. It has a sort of reinforced, harder Flyknit going around the edge of the shoe to reinforce it, so your foot ain't just slipping around in it, especially if it's going to be a running shoe. It's got a swoosh here in, I'm not sure what material. It looks like it's 3M, but I'm pretty sure I saw a review and it's not 3M on this bit. Back of the shoe's got a black heel counter in black, goes around into the inside, where it has a hit where it says Nike. Again, would have been dope if that was in 3M, but I'm pretty sure it's not in 3M, but pretty cool, it says Nike in there. Back of the shoe is the only 3M hit. It's got a little strip hair of 3M. Then it says Epic React on the pull tab here. Very, very fire, like that indeed. Then it has this little blue extended cage towards the back of the shoe. I guess this is something to do with the support, where it's got the super duper foam, and maybe this harder bit helps with the transfer. I'm not too sure, but I think that's what I read. And then it says Nike React again here, written in blue. Super duper dope, and a nice little touch again. It's got a little Nike tick or swoosh at the back here. Then the midsole is the big deal with these shoes, as you know. React, React, React. It's all React. It's like Adidas Boost having no continental sole at the bottom and it's having Boost all around the bottom. It's super duper, like, super duper springy. It's crazy. This bit here, harder. This bit here, super soft. This bit here, hard. Okay. So it looks like towards the middle of the shoe is where it's more springy and the toe bits are more hard. I'm guessing that's for the running connection of your foot hitting the toe and the heel as well. Kind of makes sense. Before I show you the on foot, quick comparison with some Ultra Boost. Why not? Because I've got some pairs here. So boom, this is the Ultra Boost 3.0 in the triple black kind of grey colorway. As you can see, the sort of black Boost, black React, kind of got the similar kind of thing going on here. The thickness of it, pretty damn close, I must say. And it also has this extended back piece here, if you can see at the back of the shoe. I'm not sure what that adds, but it's something that both shoes do, so it must be something important, I must say. And as you can see, the Boost through the bottom, and this one's just got the React on it. I'm very interested to try these on. Hopefully the sizing is what Nike said. Let's try these on. Let's show you the on foot. There we go. And we back. So that was a quick look at the Nike React Flyknit on feet. And so, after trying that on, what would I say? Basically, these fit super duper snug, I would say. Like when you're wearing them, you get a proper lockdown fit, that's for sure. I actually found them hard to get on, like with this section here of the sock liner fit. Bit of a stiff fit. I've had some problems with some shoes lately. The Adidas Alexander Wang pair that I did a review of recently, I have to use a proper shoehorn to get those in, like really tough. But this wasn't that hard, but once you got it on, totally fine. But super duper snug on the top of the foot, I would say, like a proper lockdown feel. Not uncomfortable or anything, but you can feel it. And I don't think undoing these laces did that much because, as I said, they're kind of just there for show. They're not really there to help lock down properly. Sizing wise, up to you what you prefer. I think these fit exactly like the Ultra Boost 3.0 for me. I felt where my toe was in both of them and it kind of had the same sort of fit. My big toe is close-ish to the front of the shoe, but on this side of the shoe where like my baby toe is and all that, quite a bit of space. So you can kind of like push down like that where that space is, but I wonder if I got a 10 whether my toe would be too far forward. I don't like that feeling at all. So I don't know. I'm not too sure. These fit me fine, but I don't like a super tight fit, so that's good for me. But for you, if you're out there, if you like a snug fit, true to size, probably do you fine. If you like a little bit of a looser fit, half size up like they recommend. I think that's literally what they say. I think if you like it tight, go for what it says. If you like it a bit looser, go up half a size. I'm pretty sure that's what they said on the Nike site. So I went for that, went for this. And I must say, pretty fine, pretty fire. I tried on the Ultra Boost and these at the same time, and I felt higher off the ground on these ones. I don't know if that's how it actually was. I'm on carpet right now, but that's what it felt like. But looking at them, because I've actually tried them on with jeans and trackies and all that, not too bad as a lifestyle shoe as well as a running shoe. So could be something that you see people rocking as a lifestyle shoe, but I would assume is going to be predominantly a running shoe, and they weren't going to pop off like the Ultra Boost did, because Nike has done a lot with their running shoes with Lunarlon and all that, and it's not really taken off, just like really not really worked for them like in the lifestyle fashion of stuff. So I don't know, but yeah, happy I got these. Colorway is fire. If they still have these in this colorway, check them out definitely. I think it's better than the white bottom ones. Anywho, that has been my little review of the Nike Flyknit React. Hopefully you enjoyed, hopefully you learned something and it helped you in your decision to pick these up or not. More videos to come. Check me out on all the social networks. Ashbash Sneakers on Instagram, Perfection 7 on other stuff. Ashbash out. Radio.